Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today, we're going to talk about a common issue that many Ford F-150 owners encounter. What could cause your F-150 not to start? Unlock the full tutorial and detailed steps in the article linked in the description. We'll cover the potential culprits and solutions to get you back on the road. Let's dive in. Point 1. Weak or badly adjusted battery. Loose or dirty connections can cause erratic behavior or low voltage codes, preventing your F-150 from starting. So, always ensure your battery terminals are clean and tight. Point 2. Faulty starter. A failing starter won't engage, halting the engine from turning over. Additionally, if there's resistance in the positive wire from the battery to the starter, it can impede the electric flow, resulting in silence instead of clicks when you turn the key. Point 3. Bad alternator. If it's not functioning properly, your battery might not have enough power to start the engine. And if you spot a battery warning light on your dashboard, that could indicate trouble with both the battery and the alternator. Point 4. Problem with the key fob. Reprogramming may be necessary, and sometimes disconnecting and reconnecting the battery or using a distinct key fob can trigger anti-theft systems, preventing your vehicle from starting. Point 5. Faulty ignition system. Faulty ignition components like the switch or coil might disrupt the spark needed for combustion. Similarly, issues in the fuel system, such as a clogged filter or malfunctioning pump, can deprive the engine of the necessary fuel to ignite. Point 6. Starter relay fuse has blown. This blown fuse disrupts the 12 volts needed for the starter solenoid, halting the ignition switch signal from kickstarting the engine. Point 7. PCM communication issue. Now, here's a more specific issue. Some 2021 F-150s, particularly those with 5.0L engines built before April 23, 2021, may not start if the oil life is 20% or less. This prevents the engine from cranking and results in a lack of response from the powertrain control module. Point 8. AC clutch diode issue. This issue can damage the output driver FET in the body control module C, BCMC, causing starting problems. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to what could be causing your Ford F-150 not to start. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.